Good evening, everyone. My name is Aniket Tiwari, and I am full stack developer currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at Government College of Engineering. You can visit to my portfolio at cv.anikettiwari.me. You can follow me on LinkedIn. Uh, for uh, I am recording this video to complete a task assigned to me by Pearlthought company for an internship program. For this, they have given me a task to implement an API endpoint for doctors practice for to implement an API endpoint for patient taking an appointment from uh, doctors. This API includes this API should include doctors listing, doctors detail page, and appointment booking. For simplicity, we can assume that doctors may consult only X number of patients and always have a leave on Sunday. So for this, I have implemented an web server that is API using Express.js. Although I have experience in Django, I have still choose Express.js because I know both. Since the application was not very big, so I have decided to choose Express. At we have as it has an option to easily connect to database. So for this, this is my home directory and folder structure for my application. So app.js is my main file through which my server will run. So by using this script, I am running the my main file app.js. So this app.js contains all the configuration through which like port configurations and database connectivity and all. So here database is connected and I am showing at which port my current service is running. Okay, so this was the basics, and for next I have implemented two models. uh, I have implemented all the MVC architecture, that is model view controllers, but views are not here. As we know, views is a part of front end, so controllers and routes and models are here. Models for this I have chosen two models, that is doctors and schedule. Doctors will include the patient name, sorry, doctor will include name, location, and number of appointment they can take, and schedule will include doctor ID, that is for which doctor you are taking in appointments, and patient name, start and end time, that is when your appointment will start and end, at which time you have to appear for the doctor's appointment. Next, we can see the controllers. In controllers we can see the doctors. I have implemented all the CRUD operation, that is create doctor, get doctors, get doctor by ID, update doctor, and delete doctor. All this functionality I have implemented, but I will be showing only two here, as the video will get too long and it will not be easy for me to upload that video. So for create doctor, we can I have implemented a function, simple express function, JavaScript function, through which we will uh, create an doctors. So here we can see the example. This is my this is the this is Postman, where we are going to test the API. We can also test in on various other platforms like Thunderbolt and all. So using this, this is the URL where we can send a post request. So we already have I already have added two patients, two doctors, that sorry, one doctor, that is Nishant Patil. Now I will be adding another doctor, that is Aniket Tiwari, who will be consulting from that is Roha, my home place, uh, and he is only willing to take two appointments per day. So let's send this to server. So I have sent this request to server. Now you can see the Aniket Tiwari is added to the server. We can see it by getting all doctors. So Aniket Tiwari can take 2 appointments and Nishant Patil can take three appointments. So we can also see each and perform all the CRUD operations, but I am not showing here. Now let's see the schedules. Currently, this was my last input. Now I have reset it. We don't have any appointments. So now we are going to book an appointment for Aniket. Dr. Aniket. So here the patient name is Vishal. This is the doctor ID of. I think I have to take the doctor ID again because. Hmm. So this is the doctor ID of Aniket. We have to give it to the schedule. So there should not be any conflict. Now the patient name is Vishal, and I have given start and end time for the appointment. Let's send the request to the server. So server send the request. We have added one appointment. Now if we see the all doctors list, we can see that Aniket number of appointments which Aniket Tiwari can take is now decremented. Let's send another appointment for, let's say, Akshay for the same doctor. If we send request, Akshay is also added to the list. So we can see that number of appointments for the Aniket is decreased, and we can see all the schedules in which Aniket Tiwari is added both, and Vishal and Akshay are the two patients which Aniket Tiwari sent. Suppose we try to add another appointment for Gaurav, for the same doctor. Now I think it will throw error. Yeah, it is throwing an error as it is given in the constraint that we should take only x number of patients and always have leave on Sundays. So Sundays is also implemented here. We can test it. I have already pushed this code, entire code in my GitHub. You can check it out. As the task has three the evolution is going to be on three phases. That is, they will be checking my GitHub repo, screencast and explanation and demo of code, cloud deployment version of API endpoint. So this is the cloud deployment of API endpoint which I have deployed in Vercel. I already have deployed many applications on Vercel. These are my deployments. So if we go here, so these are the two applications which I already deployed. This is the Pearlthought task which they have sent. So we can check it here by visiting here at this URL. So I will be providing it on on the form which the company provided to me, and this YouTube videos link. So thank you. I think I have completed the task. I think I will get the opportunity to work with the company. Thank you.